Hello, I'm Donnie with Choke Solutions. We have noticed a lot of issues with the Articat choking systems. We would like to show you our system or our answer to that problem. If you have a choke system that looks like this, that goes on your carburation, a lot of people have been having trouble with those. So what we've done is made a manual choke. You do away with the electric choke and you install this manual choke that we have designed. And this is what the manual choke system looks like, and I'll explain further on how to install that. First step is to remove the retaining collar that holds the choke assembly into the carburetor. So once you have removed the old electric choke, you need to pull the retaining collar off of the old electric choke. You need to retain this for use with the new choke. If you notice the arch, these will be slightly arched, and that arch needs to be down towards the carburetor, so it causes it to hold the new choke replacement snug. Over here is our kit. This is what you'll receive in a kit. You'll receive a choke cable. You'll receive the replacement collar. You'll receive the spring and plunger kit. So what we will do is remove the spring and plunger kit. And then what you need to do is unwind your choke cable so it's straight. Take your collar, slip it through, then you take your spring, slip it over the cable. You notice right here it's slotted and notched. The ball of this has to go inside of here, and then your spring will cup around the edge of that. So you push down, slip it through the middle, and slip your spring over the collar here, just as so. Then what you need to do is you can slip the keeper with the arch facing in. You have to come in from the back and slide it over the collar. You can slip your plunger inside the carburetor, push it in, replace your bolt, and secure it firmly. Okay, now you need to adjust your cable, which you adjust the cable so there's a little bit of play, just like so. And you'll snug that with a wrench. That's pretty much it. Okay, this is your choke cable you'll be installing on your Articat machine. You need to select a place in the dash. Make sure you're not drilling through any wires or it's kind of an open spot. You'll just drill through the plastic on the dash, which is a 7/16 hole. You loosen the nut here, and you will totally take the nut out of the cable, totally, and you'll keep that for future reference. Once you've drilled the hole in your dash, you string the cable through the hole all the way through, and from the underside you need to slide your nut all the way through up to your dash and then firmly secure this. So once that's secure, you got that mounted. One thing you just got to be cautious of is that you don't wrap this cable up too much before securing it into the carburetor, and I'll explain that on a cable that's already assembled. So here's our cable that's assembled. If you notice, if I keep twisting this cable, it actually shortens the stroke and your choke system may not work. So you need to loosely string it and stick this into the carburetor and then make your adjustment. Once your choke is mounted to your dash and your collar is firmly secured to the carburetor, then you need to make the adjustment here to get the proper stroke for your choke. And as I explained before, you just need to have a little bit of play between the cable and this collar here. Just a real slight play, and that'll tell you that the plunger is firmly seated. We designed this choke system, worked very well. We've been using it for 2 years. We have a half a dozen units out there with chokes currently on them, have worked flawlessly. So would like to have you take a look at our product.